Hello again, friends. Welcome back to another unboxing, or in this case, it's an unbagging. So, this is a Homfy waterproof mattress protector. Grab this for a full-sized mattress here. Okay, comes with a nice little bag that appears to be reusable. Take that out. Dun dun dun. Okay. So it is it claims to be 100% waterproof and breathable, which is nice. Eco-friendly material, face made of bamboo fiber, so that's cool. Dust mites resistant and hypoallergenic. Fitted sheet style design with deep pockets. So right on. All right, in here. Okay, it's not like super soft, but it's not something that's going to bother you either. I mean, normally you don't sleep on a fitted sheet anyways. I don't think so, at least. Some cardboard. So, usually this goes down over the mattress, and then you have another, at least that's what we did when we have our different mattress. This one's for the kids, obviously. We have another one, but we put a waterproof cover on our king size. We bought a brand new mattress, so definitely you want to protect your mattress from getting wet. So put a nice waterproof cover on there, and then put another like regular fitted sheet over the top of it. Although, I mean, this is not uncomfortable. You could sleep on top of this, but we put another fitted sheet like on top of the fitted mattress protector. So I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do. That's just how we do it. So thanks for watching this unboxing. I will be doing a demonstration as I put this on the mattress and pour some water on here to see how waterproof it really is. So we'll see you soon, and take care out there.